Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of our September mystery subscription box. So this month's theme is called Sleepy Hollow, and before I get into the flip through, be sure to subscribe if you're not already and hit that bell to turn on notifications, and I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So our monthly sticker subscription box retails for $62.40. That's if you were to buy everything separately, full price. However, our monthly subscription box is really a way for us to give back to our customers, and we wanted to offer a lot of stickers at a really good price. So for subscribers, it's $24. We do have a 3-month minimum commitment. So if you're not ready to commit yet, you can grab it for $30 as a one-time purchase. And the one-time purchase is currently on sale this weekend for $27. So it's usually $30, but just this weekend it's $27. And the artwork that our sub box features is exclusive to our shop, so you won't be able to find it anywhere else. But signups for this box is currently open. They close on the last day of the month, or if we run out of stock beforehand, just whichever comes first. And if we do have any extra items remaining at the end of the month, they will be listed in the shop full price. I have a feeling this month's subscription box is going to be popular, so I highly recommend grabbing this as soon as you can. I personally wouldn't wait for any remaining items. I think this sub box is going to be popular, so let's go ahead and get into the flip through. So starting with the foil, our sub box comes with 6 sheets of foil that is matching with the rest of the sub box. So this month's foil color is rose gold, and the sticker paper that we use for our foiled stickers is a clear matte. So this is the first sheet. It's a book stack. I thought the book stack would be perfect, especially since there are a lot of books in this month's clip art. So here is the first sheet. Next, we have some foiled sunflower toppers. This matches with the sunflower florals in this kit, so I thought this would be perfect. You can use these on top of boxes, you can layer them, you can also use them with your date covers as little toppers, so a lot of different uses for this. Next up is our date dot sheet. We always do a sheet of date dots in a theme that matches with the rest of the box. So this month we decided to do pumpkins since this is a fall themed box. So we have rose gold pumpkins, super cute. Next we have these leaf branch dividers. Again, going along with the fall theme. And then we have these little fall clusters. These are really cute to decorate your spread with. And then lastly, we have these sunflower bouquets, which again goes along with the florals in this kit. So those are the 6 sheets of foil that this sub box comes with. Moving right along, we have 2 deco sheets. This first one is a floral sheet of just a bunch of different bouquets. We have individual leaves, acorns, a little pumpkin, super cute. And then here is the deco sheet of the clip art in this kit. So this is all exclusive to our shop. Next we have a journaling card. This is just super cozy and it makes me really excited for the fall time. And then on the back it is blank, so I like using journaling cards as like a thank you card or a birthday card. You can just write a little note on the back and it works really well for that. Next up we have our 2-page journaling kit. Our journaling kit has a little bit of everything, so we have little decorative stickers, some clip art on here, we have lots of different boxes you can write on. We have a little faux stamp, which this actually matches with that full box. I think it's super cute. And then we also have some torn pages, a little faux Polaroid frame. On this sheet we have some more washi strips, more boxes you can write on, days of the week. This would be perfect for like a B6 planner. You have some dots up here, so a little bit of everything in our journaling kit. And then last but not least, we have our 4-paged foiled weekly kit. Again, this is in rose gold foil, super cute. So let's do a closer look of the full boxes. The vibe we were going for with this month's subscription is like a moody fall. So it's a lot of darker colors, very cozy, a little spooky, but yeah, the theme is Sleepy Hollow. Here we have your headers. We have scallop headers. They're all foiled really nicely. And then we have some torn washi strips. And then we have your bottom washi. So we have like a scalloped one, a medium-sized one, and then the thick washi. Next we have our boxes page. Again, going for like that moody fall vibe. A little bit different from our usual like bright and cheery fall kits. This is definitely more on the darker side. So here we just have some scallop circles that are foiled. We have our days of the week stickers. Then we have our sidebar stickers. So you have some habit trackers, a weekly sticker. The sticker is plain so you can use it for anything. We got our checklists, some watercolor swatches, and then we have some of these sticky note looking stickers. So that is our 4-paged foiled weekly kit. I absolutely love this kit and I cannot wait to use it in Monday's Plan With Me. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing this month's mystery subscription box. Let me know what was your favorite item in this month's box and what you thought of the theme. Again, signups are currently open for this box, so if you are interested in grabbing it, I highly recommend. I'll have it linked in the description for you. But if you want to see a plan with me of me using all of these stickers, definitely subscribe and stay tuned because that video is coming next Monday. So stay tuned for that. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!